Can we live on Mars?
I don't think Mars would be a good place to live. Earth has oxygen, but Mars doesn't.
It's kind of cool to live on another planet in my mind.
If we were to live on Mars, we could interfere with something that's beyond us.
If you were to live on Mars, you would need plants there, and there really aren't very many plants.
No, not really. I like it here on Earth.
Living on Mars certainly is a possibility. I think we have to look at all the factors that are involved. Mars is not a very hospitable place. Earth and Mars are somewhat alike. They're both stony planets, and they're both fairly close to the sun. Earth is often called the Goldilocks planet because it's just the right distance, has just the right conditions for life.
Rocks on Mars are full of iron, which makes it have its red color after oxidation.
This is a piece of rock that contains iron, and that color is very similar to what the surface of Mars is like.
Mars is half the size of Earth.
So we're talking like 2,000 miles across the moon, 4,000 miles across Mars, and 8,000 miles across the diameter of Earth.
There are seasons on Mars because its axis is a little tilted like Earth's. The tilt is why Earth has seasons.
Mars's core has stopped spinning. It doesn't have a magnetosphere, which blocks gamma rays and most of the UV rays.
Radiation on the surface of Mars is a dangerous thing for life. So any life that we're looking for up there will probably be below the surface.
The atmosphere is mainly carbon dioxide, which isn't good for humans. There's no liquid water on the surface that we know of.
There's many things that look like dried up lakes.
Water on Mars exists in the form of ice, but as it melts in the Martian sunlight, the melting process really causes it to vaporize or literally boil away into the atmosphere. That water isn't preserved as a liquid form today on Mars.
The Perseverance mission is looking for some kind of living organism that probably doesn't need oxygen. I think that they're probably going to end up finding things that used to live, like fossils.
It's collecting rock samples and other stuff that could be useful for studying the history of Mars and looking for life.
The experiments we do here on Earth are very similar to the experiments that are going to be done on the rocks of Mars.
It'd be very exciting if we find life because knowing about one planet can also give us a bunch of clues about other planets